Two famous platforms, but only one can rule your inbox. Which one really delivers? On the left, Mailchimp, promising smarter email marketing and automation. And on the right, AWeber, built for simple, powerful email marketing for small businesses. Let's skip the hype and focus on what actually matters. We'll break it down by category, scoring each, so you can see at a glance which service leads the pack. The final verdict for 2025 might surprise you. Okay. Real quick, here's what we're comparing today. We're going to look at price, automation and features, tracking and analytics, ease of use, support, and templates and design. Yep, we're hitting all the important stuff, so you'll have the full picture. So first off, let's talk price. Mailchimp does give you a free plan, 500 subs and 2,500 emails a month. Pretty sweet. But honestly, once you start growing, those paid plans get expensive fast. And if you want to code custom templates, that's going to cost you extra. The price just keeps going up as your list does, which is, kind of painful. AWeber, though, comes in clutch here. You get a free plan too, but with 3,000 emails per month. And usually, it's just cheaper if your list isn't massive. Plus, you can edit every template on every plan, which Mailchimp charges for. The only annoyance? Fewer free design assets. But honestly, if you're on a budget, AWeber takes the win for price. Let's slide into automation and features. Mailchimp, right? This is where it absolutely flexes. You get advanced customer journeys, those if this then that triggers, deep e-commerce and landing page stuff. It's like a nerd's playground. But heads up, the fanciest automations are locked behind more expensive plans. AWeber? Way simpler. Setting up basic autoresponders is a breeze. Canva integration is a cool touch, and AMP for email if you're into fancy stuff, sure. But the automations, they're basic. Mostly just tagging and click triggers. So if you want power and flexibility, Mailchimp pretty much runs away with it here. All right, next, tracking and analytics. Mailchimp gives you the usual reports. Nothing too wild. Opens, clicks, but you can't send to multiple lists at once, which weirdly is kind of limiting. And the click tracking uses these funky, long URLs, so not ideal if you care how your links look. Now, with AWeber, this is actually super cool. You get all the detailed info, opens, clicks, conversions. You can hit multiple lists at once, which, just saves so much hassle. And the links they track, way cleaner, which actually bumps click rates. Sure, AWeber looks a little more old school visually, but honestly, analytics-wise, AWeber is the clear winner. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. AWeber actually invented the autoresponder. Yep, way before Mailchimp even showed up. Total OG status. Now, let's talk ease of use. Mailchimp's backend is slick and quick. Tons of features right at your fingertips. But sometimes, things are hard to find if you're not used to it. And it's not exactly super beginner-friendly. If you're coming in fresh, you'll probably Google stuff a lot. AWeber takes a different approach. Everything's laid out, easy to get to, and editing your newsletter is simple. You do get more of an old-school vibe, but workflows stay consistent, and you won't spend ages hunting through menus. So if you value simplicity and just want to get things done, AWeber wins this round. Support. This one's huge if you ever get stuck. With Mailchimp, you get live chat and email, but only if you're on their premium plans. Otherwise, it's articles and forums mostly. No phone support unless you shell out extra, and real-time help is limited, honestly. AWeber? Oh, they crush it here. Every paid plan gets you email, phone, and live chat. Owners rave about customer service, and even if you're on the free plan, you'll get help. It's just a bit slower. But overall, if you want to actually talk to a human, AWeber is the clear winner. Now, let's jump into templates and design. Mailchimp's got some pretty slick modern templates with lots of ways to customize. Advanced design tools? Check. But, and this is annoying, the premium stuff is locked behind the paywall. AWeber? You can code your own templates no matter what plan you're on. Canva integrates super well, and there's a huge stock image library. Yeah, some older templates feel dated compared to Mailchimp's polish, but that flexibility is nice. So honestly, this one's a tie. Pick what fits your vibe. All right, if you want to see it at a glance, here's how Mailchimp and AWeber stack up across all our categories. Some areas, like price, support, and analytics, AWeber really stands out. Mailchimp dominates in automation and slick design, but overall, that balance tips towards AWeber for most small business folks. So, what's the bottom line? If you want automation muscle and deep integrations, Mailchimp is awesome, especially for growth and e-commerce. But if you care about ease, solid support, smart tracking, and save some cash, AWeber just makes way more sense for small businesses. That's my honest take. If you found this Mailchimp versus AWeber comparison helpful, save it for your decision and subscribe for more unbiased product breakdowns. Seriously, you don't want to miss what's coming next.